The Brumi Ghibli 36V electronic olive harvester is the ideal choice for efficient and high-quality harvesting. With its powerful 800W brushless electronic motor at 36 volts, the harvesting experience will be smooth and efficient, without compromising the quality of the work. The robust transmission with hardened steel gears ensures durability over time, while the 8 reinforced carbon rods, each 36 centimeters long, allow you to easily reach even the highest areas of the trees. The 294mm precision comb guarantees a delicate and effective harvesting of olives and hazelnuts, preserving their quality. The fixed carbon rod is lightweight and resistant, adapting to your specific needs during harvesting. With only 2 kilograms of weight, the Brumi Ghibli 36V is easy to handle even during long working sessions, without tiring you out. This olive harvester offers extraordinary power, reliability in transmission, and reinforced rods, guaranteeing exceptional results.